The Techage Solar Security Cameras 2-pack delivers very sharp 2K video with vivid color night views, so faces and details stay easy to recognize around the clock. Because each camera is powered by its own solar panel and connects over wireless internet, installation is straightforward and you avoid worrying about running power cables or recharging batteries. The wide pan and tilt range, along with digital zoom, lets you scan a large yard or driveway from the app and cut down on blind spots that fixed cameras often miss. Human-focused motion detection, paired with lights and audible alerts, helps draw your attention to real activity and can discourage someone who should not be on your property. The sturdy weather-resistant housing holds up well in rain and snow, and the two-way audio makes it easy to speak with visitors or warn off strangers from wherever you are. Flexible storage that supports both memory card recording and encrypted online backups gives you more control over how you keep and review important clips.